You know, I've decided it's time to find a new home for my 34 Ford Fordor sedan. I bought this car 35 years ago. I was running with a fellow named Barry Lobeck, had a hot rod shop. And I decided I needed a street rod because I was traveling the street rod circuit. So we took this car, and I'm the third owner of it. I bought this off of a man that bought it from the woman that got it as a high school graduation present in 1934. And it's all good Henry steel under it. And decided to do an article for Street Rodder magazine. I was writing for them, and they said, let's make it an article called the Presto-Rod, where you could take there was a lot of antique cars around at the time. There's a lot of guys that wanted to build street rods. So I said, let's make it an easy, fairly quick, safe, and reliable hot rod. So we did the 350 crate motor. You could buy a crate motor back then for $1,300. And I had a local transmission expert do a 350 trans for me. And I just run the wheels off of it. We took it out. Its maiden voyage was out to Americruise in Peoria back in 1993. Did the feature in Street Rodder. It had three builds. That was back when Street Rodder was a big magazine, but we did 3 builds on it. Eric Geisert came and shot it at Fred Warren's shop, and I've had a good time, but it's time to move on. I've got some other hot rods in my garage, and time to sell this one. I took it up to Motor City Solutions up at Taylor, Michigan, and I had the guys go through it front to back mechanically. Changed some bushings in the front, updated the brakes a little bit, and it's a driver now, so I wouldn't be worried in getting it and driving it back up to Detroit and show them what a good job they did.